This is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPad to a USB device just like this. So you might need an adapter, USB to USB-C. If not, I have on the back of my drive, this pen drive, just a USB-C. So I can just use this to plug in to the bottom of my iPad where this charges just like this. And then this should light up when you have it connected. And I don't know if it's picky, if it's NTFS or if it's EXFAT or FAT32 for the file format for your USB, but I have mine formatted to EXFAT. And a lot of times with these devices they don't like NTFS, so you have to format them on your computer to EXFAT or FAT32, otherwise it will not be detected on your iPad. So once you have it on here, you want to look for files. So you have this application called Files. If you don't have it, just swipe all the way to the right. Just type in Files here. You should have it on there because it comes with every iPad. So go to Files right here. Open this up. Then we can back out. And we can go to, what is it? Just let's back out here all the way. And we can see I hit that button right here. And then we can go on down. And we should be able to find our drive. So I think the drive is called No Name. Yep, it's called No Name. And then I can go to wherever my pictures are taken. So I have pictures on here. DCIM. Okay, so I have a picture on here. And now what I can do is hold down on here. I think there's an option to copy all somewhere on here too. So I'm just going to hold down on here. And I can move it or I can copy it. So let's just go to copy. So it looks like I'm copying it. Or I can move it. If I go to move, actually brings up this entire screen. And then you want to move it somewhere on your iPad. On my iPad right here. And then you can create a new folder if you want. And then I can copy it over here. So it's going to copy over to my iPad now. And it's going to be under Files now. So let's go back. And I can just go to Recents or Browse or wherever. And I should be able to find it on my iPad right here. So, yep, here it is. So this is going to be saved to your iPad. It looks like I just have a picture right here. And I'm not sure if you can actually find this under your photo gallery or not, unless you have to import it somewhere. But yeah, very easy to do, so you can copy it over it that way. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out.